Do you guys also hear those strange noises on the roof at night? It's like something is walking above us.
Yeah, and my candy disappeared the other day. I'm sure I left it in the cupboard, but now it's gone.
For me, it's my socks that keep disappearing. It's so weird. Every week, at least one goes missing.
Did I hear that right? Noises on the roof, missing candy and socks? Sounds like you might have had a visit from the Mumzels.
The Mumzels? What are they?
Do they really exist? I've never heard of them.
Yeah, tell us. Who are these Mumzels?
Mumzels are little, fluffy creatures that sneak around at night looking for food and other small things. They love candy, and they use socks to keep their nests warm.
So, those noises on the roof aren't mice, but Mumzels?
Exactly. Mumzels are shy, but they love adventure. They sneak through houses and collect anything that makes their nest cozy.
And what else do they do? Do they play with toys too?
Absolutely. If they find a toy, they often play with it for a while. They're curious and enjoy discovering new things, but always in secret.
Can we really see them, or do they always hide?
Well, Mumzels rarely show themselves, but if you leave them a treat, like a piece of candy, you might catch a glimpse of them.
Should we leave some candy out tonight and see if a Mumzel comes?
Yes, I really want to see one. That would be so cool.
Maybe we could even take some pictures. If they dare to come, that is.
Ha ha ha, good luck with that. But remember, Mumzels are very quick and quiet. Maybe you'll just hear a soft whisper if you listen closely.